Curious about a case that could wreck your workplace? Lucky for you, we have a lawyer on the clock.
I'm going to try to bring everybody the latest, and that is that yesterday there was debate on a House bill that would repeal the Missouri Paid Sick Leave Act, and very significantly, the Democrats in the Missouri legislature filibustered all day yesterday to try to prevent the legislation that would repeal the Missouri Paid Sick Leave Act. The legislation would actually repeal it, and so the Democrats filibustered yesterday. And what really it's probably happening is that that's trying to buy time for negotiations to take place. There was some tinkering yesterday, or some proposals at least, for the minimum wage piece of the legislation to be tinkered with, just from the standpoint of subsequent year increases. And then there was also proposals tinkering with the Missouri Paid Sick Leave Act in and of itself. My feeling is that this is going to pass and that this is going to be repealed. There's a weird possibility that if it passes and it gets repealed, that the law will actually go into effect on May 1, and then it might. Then the new legislation wouldn't go into effect until August 28th. So we might end up with this weird interim period where the law is in effect, unless the Republicans can pass the repeal legislation with an emergency provision in it that would make the repeal effective immediately. So all kinds of things to keep our eyes on. I do think the Republicans have the votes to pass the legislation to repeal it. Whether it's done on an emergency basis or not remains to be seen.
Yeah, that's we got to keep our eyes on that, because that date's coming close. I know I got my letter on my desk the other day, my 8.5 by 11 with the font, and what my rights are under the law to sick leave. Hopefully you've been notified through Ogletree Deacons and the HR team there of your rights as well, and so should everyone that's listening. Regardless of what's in front of us, that part of compliance should have already occurred.
Yeah, that part should have occurred as of April 15th on tax day. The notifications should have gone out. I am suggesting to people that we still plan for this to go into effect on May 1, but we might be able to put the brakes on it. We might hopefully get some more guidance, maybe still this week, but hopefully by the end of next week.